Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a creepy ghost Godzilla. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our creepy ghost Godzilla, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right over here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and back for the top of the eye. Then I'm going to make a big space in here. Then I'm going to draw a smaller space, and I'm just going to kind of color right around here, leaving just a little bit white in there. I'm going to make a couple little lines right underneath there. Next, I'm going to make a couple little points here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down, and then angle down like this. We'll make a little kind of hole here where like the nose would be, almost as if this is kind of like a skull. Then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make these little bumps in here. Let's kind of bring this down and then back for part of the skull. Let's make a little bit of a broken line here and then put some spikes right across the top and then connect it to here. Let's kind of curve a little space in here and make some little lines kind of around the nose. Let's make this line come down, and we're going to bring this back. And we're going to make this line kind of come down, over, and then bring it up. We'll make some little curved lines here. And we'll make this line kind of come back and up here. Now in these little bumps, I'm just going to kind of fill it in with like some sharp teeth. And then we'll just kind of fill in little areas here and on this side with some sharp pointed teeth. I'm going to make some broken lines right around here and some curved lines here. And I'll put a few little lines right there. Next, I'm going to make some little kind of curved lines here for kind of like some bones. And then down here, I'm going to make some little kind of jagged lines. They're just going to kind of come up and down. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down. And I'm going to bring this down here. We're going to make some sharp claws like this. And I'm going to make one that's going to come down, come across, and then up. Then we're going to make some little points in here. Kind of like it's this bone sticking out. Then we can add some sharp claws with little lines above it. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We'll make a little like piece taken out, and then we're going to kind of curve this up. Next, I'm going to bring this line back here. I'm going to make a nice big kind of jagged shape in here. I'm going to bring this line down and back here. I'm going to make this line come down, and we're going to bring a nice sharp claw. One more here, and then one more here. We'll put some claws on here, and then we'll add those extra little lines here. I'm going to bring this one up and over, and I'm going to curve this around. I'm going to make some bones in here. We're going to make his ribs. So let's make some lines that go down and up. And then we'll make just a little bit of like a jagged line in there to fill it in. Now, right across the top, I'm going to make some just long, broken lines. And we're going to bring this down to here. Then I'm going to make a little line here.
I'm going to make his other arm. We're just going to kind of come down and curve it around. Then we're going to make just some more kind of jagged, curvy lines. I'll bring it over here. I'm going to make a line here that's going to go down and back. I'm going to curve this one around here. And we're just going to make these big, sharp claws on here and then bring it back up. And then we'll curve it up to here. We'll put the little lines on the claws with some extra lines, and I'll do that same thing here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with some curves, and I'm going to bring this up. And then we're going to make like some little chunks taken out of it, and we're just going to bring this down to here. Some more little pieces there missing. Next, I'm going to put some spikes on here. So I'm going to start by making some little ones in these different little openings here. Then we're going to put a little bit bigger row of these spikes right along here. I'm just keeping it about 2 to 3 points on each one of these, making them really jagged. You could always put more if you want to, but just kind of keeping the small row of spikes. We're going to make these kind of come down the tail too. Next, I'm going to start making the bigger row back here. And I'm going to start putting more of these points on here. You want to make them as jagged as you possibly can. So really, the more points, the better. And then we're going to fill in some of these areas too. And if you have any like big open spaces like this, it's always good to kind of fill in some of them just with some more of these pointed spikes. We're going to make just some kind of like little lines right inside of here. And we'll kind of leave some empty ones too. Now, I'm going to come in here and just add some details. So I'm going to make just like some big open spaces. Make some kind of curves around here. Put some curves on the hand. And these little kind of lines right along the knees here. We'll make some little lines kind of coming up the legs. And we'll make some more little lines kind of all around the arms here. We can make some extra little lines right around here, just kind of where he's got some openings on him. Kind of curve these around, and then we can even make some more like little patches just to kind of show where he's missing some of his skin. But maybe a couple more here. Maybe even some on this leg too. Now I'm just going to kind of come in here and add some of these big lines around here just to kind of fill up some area. Give our, Ghost Godzilla a little bit more detail. We can put some of these lines kind of coming down the tail. And then we can always add some little lines onto the spikes in here as well. Just kind of put some fun little designs everywhere on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Creepy Ghost Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.